Good morning, sir. Today, myself, Rahul Chaudhary, wants to give seminar presentation on the topic Internet of Things. In these slides, I will cover about what is Internet of Things, what is its future aspect, why we are using it. Internet of Things is an ever-growing network of physical objects that features an IP address for internet connectivity and the communication that occur between these objects and other internet-enabled devices and systems. In simple words, we can say that it is an ecosystem of connected physical objects that are accessible through internet. According to the father of IoT, Kevin Aston, he said that the Internet of Things has the potential to change the world just as internet did, maybe or even maybe more. Component of IoT. IoT consists of mainly three components such as sensors, connectivity, people and processes. With the combination of all these three, IoT is made. Why is IoT used? For dynamic control of industry and daily life, improve the resource utilization ratio, integrating human society and physical system, for flexible configuration, or act as a technology integrator for universal internetworking. What is the scope of IoT? Internet of Things can connect various embedded devices to the internet. When devices can represent themselves digitally, they can be controlled from anywhere. The connectivity then helps us to capture more data from more places, ensuring more way for increasing efficiency. For corporate aspect, IoT is a transformational force that can help companies to improve performance through IoT analysis and IoT security to deliver better results. In the case of oil and gas, insurance and manufacturing, transportation, infrastructure and retail sector can use IoT by making more informed decisions aimed by the torrent of interaction and transaction data at their disposal. How can IoT help? IoT platform can help organizations to reduce cost through improved process efficiency, by increasing productivity, the growth and the convergence of the data process and the things of internet would make such connection more relevant and important, creating more opportunity for people, businesses and industries. Current status and the future prospect of IoT. In year 2003, as you can see it, world population is 6.3 billion. Number of connected devices are 0.08, and in 2010 it grows to 1.84, and in 2015 it grows to 3.47. In the current year, in 2020, it is around 6.58, which 6.58 peoples which are connected to the IoT devices. This is the graphical form of to represent the growth of the Internet of Things. As you can expect, it is expected that in 2020 around 50 billion people are connected to the Internet of Things. Industries are also investing on IoT devices such as manufacturing industry, transportation and warehousing, followed by information industry, wholesale and trade industry. All these industries are investing a lot on IoT devices. Application of IoT application in the field of management, education, food, pharmaceutical, logistic, retail. Management, the most common example is Amazon Web Services. In the field of education, it is smart classrooms, student tracking system, smart learning. In food, it is better food quality, shipping timing, what is the temperature of the food, we can detect the purity of the food. In pharmaceutical, for better control of drugs, manufacturing, improved supply chain management, etc. Applications and their overall popularity in the recent world, such as you can see it, smart home. It is the most searched IoT device on a internet. From this data you can see it, wireless devices, smart city, smart grid technology, smart industrial integrated connected cars. All these things are mostly searched by the peoples, and they are very popular in today's world. Challenges faced by the IoT. Challenges faced by IoT. With the growth of technology, there must be some challenges also evolved. First one is the scalability, second security, third one is technical requirement, and after that technological standardization and software complexity. These are the major challenges which are faced by IoT. Solution to the challenge. Our first solution is overcoming compatibility issues in the significant IoT hurdles, but emerging companies are starting to enable increasing interoperability through open source development. Government and industry bodies need to get started standard and regulation for the various industries to ensure that the data is not misused. There is a strong authentication method should be developed to protect our data. After that, there is a conclusion. IoT have very good impact on economy. There's many of expecting that 100 billion connected IoT devices and global economy impact of more than $11 trillion by 2025. The IoT has the potential to change the industry. However, there is some risk and disadvantages are also associated with them, and that can be overcome over a time. These are the references which I have used to make my slides, and thank you.